Hey guys, hey, welcome back to this channel. Hey, I really appreciate all you guys have been watching these videos and subscribing and liking. Hey, today I have a video of us framing up walls by ourselves. So just to give you guys some perspectives on how you can do it by yourselves, I made this video for y'all. Please leave in the comments on anything that I could do better or have left out. If you guys have ideas, I'd appreciate that. And just as always, thanks for watching. So here I'm going to be leveling this thing. I just put X braces on this temporarily to hold this, and I'll level that post both ways, exactly level. And you have to guess a little bit here, but if you don't have it wrong or right, you can go back and change it. And I'm keeping it up here out of the concrete so I can leave them on, and it'll hold these posts in line while they're doing the concrete. And here I take the top 2x4, I got a line marked up top, and you take this top 2x4 and you just lay it off right where it goes, and you mark it on each post, and then you go take your ladder and you go up top and you just nail it along there. Starting, make sure you start at the end that's braced so you don't have to pull the whole walls, and you do one post at a time. And you'll just go along there and you'll get them all in place, and then that end brace will hold the whole wall, and then you just fill it in from there. So the key here is you go in the middle first, just like that, and then go to an end, and then you can do it by yourself. And here you use the same concept of going in the middle, and you just got to get up there. And I got a block that I use, the spacer block, and that's exactly the space I want in between them. And you just go in the middle first and nail it, and then you can go to your end and just continue on down the line just like that. It's pretty easy. Once you get started, you just have to use a block. For me is the easiest way to do it because that'll kind of hold it in place. And in the end is just kind of a summary. If you make sure your posts are exactly where you want them to be, double check them, make sure they're 100% level, and your bottom board is 100% level and where you want it to be, everything else will always fall right into place. Start at the bottom, make sure that's right first. Thanks for watching.